Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. I'm Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training. Today we're making another human treat. This is honey mustard boneless chicken wings. I'm not sure why these are called boneless chicken wings because they aren't even wings. It just comes from chicken breast and it's basically just chicken nuggets, but they are delicious. To start with, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and go ahead and heat your oil in your skillet. Start by mixing together your chicken seasonings. You can create whatever combination you prefer. We use 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Rinse the chicken breast and cut it into small pieces about the size of nuggets. Mix 1 cup of buttermilk and 2 eggs together in a shallow dish, and you put your chicken in that mixture. Pour enough flour into another shallow dish to coat the chicken. We use self-rising flour, and we also mixed in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then we mixed in the spice mixture. Coat your chicken with the flour mixture. You want to make sure your oil is hot enough before you put your chicken in it. You can do this by taking a little of the flour batter and putting it in the oil to see if it fries. If it doesn't, then let the oil heat a little longer. It should sizzle up. Once the oil is hot enough, fry your chicken in it for about 3 minutes per side or until golden brown. In the meantime, you can make your honey mustard. You mix a half a cup of honey with a fourth a cup of mustard. Taste to see if the flavor's where you want it. Add additional mustard or honey until you get the taste where you want it. If you don't want honey mustard, you can use whatever you like. You can use this with barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, Italian dressing. It's really good with whatever flavor you prefer. After your chicken is golden brown, remove from the frying pan and let it drain on paper towels. You can even leave it like this if you want and just serve it as chicken nuggets with your favorite dipping sauce. But it is even more drool-worthy when you continue with the final steps. After the chicken has sat on the paper towel for a couple of minutes, you can put the chicken into the honey mustard mixture. Also spray a pan with cooking spray, and then you put that coated honey mustard chicken on the pan. Once all the chicken is coated and on the pan, you place it in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and serve warm. These are super juicy and flavorful. It is sure to be a crowd pleaser. We hoped you enjoyed our video. If so, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and a comment. I got a chicken nugget before it was put in the honey mustard, and I will tell y'all it is definitely drool worthy. This gets my drool worthy stamp of approval. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a very blessed week.